how to use virtual background in Zoom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you do not like your background and want a professional background in your Zoom call, then you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Zoom meeting and then uh, if you want to turn on a video, just don't open it. You'll see an arrow here. Just tap on the arrow first. So this is where you put in your virtual background. Just tap on adjust background and effects. And now you'll be able to see various virtual backgrounds. You can choose from various options that you find here like this. And you can even put in avatars, video filters, and then studio effects. But if you just want virtual backgrounds, then this is where you choose from. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.